This is a diagram, students. Is Q, P, A, B, M, L. Okay. This angle is given as a 15 degree. This angle is given as a 35 degree. This angle is X, and this angle is 10 degree. Let it be angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. Now, given. It is given that angle 1 equals to 15 degree, angle 2 equals to 35 degree, and angle 3 equals to 10 degree. To find, in this question, it is also given that the QP is parallel to ML. QP is parallel to ML, means first line and the last line both are parallel to each other. QP parallel to ML. To find, we have to find the value of X. We have to find the value of X. Okay, now construction. In this we have to do a construction, students. First of all, extend this line. Also extend this line. Extend this line, this AB line, in both the directions. In both the directions. AB line extend in both the directions. In this direction and this direction. Such that when AB is produced in this direction, it will meet at a point R, and when it produces in this direction, it will meet at a point N. Here, let it be an angle. This is angle 1, 2, 3. Let it be angle 4, and let it be angle 5. Clear? Now first of all, we have to find the angle X. This one angle. Okay. Now, first of all, in triangle RAP. RAP. RAP angle. This angle is 2. This angle is 35 degree. Angle 2, 35 degree. This angle is 1. That is 15 degree. This angle is 4. We know that the exterior angle property and exterior angle equals to the sum of the opposite two interior angles. So how can you write? In triangle RAP, angle 2 equals to angle 4 plus angle 1. What is angle 2? Angle 2 is 35 degree. What is angle 4? We have to find angle 4. Angle 1, that is 15 degree. So angle 4 equals to 35 degree minus 15 degree. So angle 4 equals to 20 degree. Now, we know that the QP line is parallel to ML line. We know that the QP line is parallel to ML line. QP line is parallel to ML line. Therefore, RP line is also parallel to MN line. RP line is also parallel to MN line. So, RP and MN line. RP and MN. Here is RP line. Here is MN line. Sorry, MN line. And RN is a transversal line. RN is a transversal line. Therefore, there is angle 4 and there is angle 5. Both angles are equal to each other. The reason RP line is parallel to MN line and both are alternate interior angles. So angle 4 equals to angle 5 equals to, what is angle 4? 20 degree. So angle 5 is also equals to 20 degree. Angle 5 is also equals to 20 degree. Now this angle comes to a 20 degree. This angle also comes to 20 degree. Now how can you find x? X is again exterior angle property. By exterior angle property of a triangle MBN. MBN. What is angle x? Angle x equals to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So 10 plus 20 is 30 degree. Now in triangle BMN, what is angle x? Angle x equals to angle 3 plus angle 5. Angle 3 plus angle 5. Reason? Exterior angle property. So angle x equals to, what is angle 3? 10 degree. What is angle 5? 20 degree. So 10 plus 20, that is 30 degree. So angle x is equal to 30 degree by exterior angle property. Clear students? In this question we have to find the value of x. See how can we have arranged solve this question. On this triangle we have applied exterior angle property. Angle 2 equals to the sum of opposite two interior angles. So we find the angle 4. Angle 4 equals to the angle 5. Alternate interior angles. From here we have again taken this triangle. This angle equals to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. This angle is by this property we have find angle 4 is 20 degree. 20 angle 4 equals to angle 5, same 20 degree. By exterior angle property again 20 plus 10 equals to 30 degree. So angle x equals to 30 degree. Clear? So I take a screenshot of this. This is question number 6. Clear? Now your worksheet complete. Thank you.